Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson we are going to see JEE Main Maths question year 2022. Let A be the matrix 3 cross 3, determinant of A equal to 2. Then what is the value of determinant of 2 adjoint 5 adjoint A cube? Then what is the value of determinant of 2 adjoint 5 adjoint A cube? They have given the 4 options. Okay. Let A be the matrix of 3 cross 3. Okay. Now, what is the rule if you want to take anything adjoint? Adjoint CA means this C, if you want to take out C power n minus 1 adjoint A. N is order of the matrix. Now we are going to take this 5 out. 5 how we can take out? From this adjoint. So 5, if it is coming here, it is 5 power n minus 1, so it will be 5 squared. So 2 adjoint, no, because we are taking 2 5 squared adjoint A cube. Okay. The another one rule, anything adjoint A, adjoint anything, if you want to take adjoint out, this one is out. Previously we are going to take 5 out. Now adjoint out means whatever it is, it will be square. Here now we are going to, first we removed this 5, we shifted 5 here. It came like this. Now our motive is this adjoint we wanted to remove. How to remove it? This A cube will become A square. So 2 5 squared A cube will become, this adjoint is there, this adjoint only we removed, A power 6. Next, this A power 6 we are going to remove. 2 5 squared A power 12. Okay. This adjoint also removed. Now the third rule, anything if you take out from the determinant, it will be power n. For any scalar quantity if you take out, it will be power n. N is the order of the matrix. So 2 cube 5 power 6 A power 12. What is A value? A value is 2 only. Determinant of A is 2. So 2 cube 5 power 6 2 power 12 2 power 15. 2 power 15 5 power 6. 2 power 15 5 power 6. Now come here. There is no option in that category, but 10 power 6 is there. What we got it? 2 power 15 5 power 6. All the options are 10 power 6 is there. 10 power 6 or 10 power. So 5 power 6 means here 2 power 9 cross 2 power 6. 9 plus 6 is 50. So it will be 10 power 6. 2 power 9 is what? 512. So 512 cross 10 power 6. Okay. If you take any scalar quantity from adjoint, you have to take out power n minus 1. Scalar power C power n minus 1. N is the order of the matrix. Adjoint A, anything is there. Adjoint afterwards, anything is there. If you want to take adjoint out, that will be, the adjoint A will be A square. If you want to take any scalar quantity from the determinant, it will be the scalar quantity to the power n. N is the order of the matrix. Look at the question. See, 2 times, first I removed this 5, so it will be 5 square. Okay, because 5 power n minus 1, it is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Then adjoint A cube. Adjoint this, then this adjoint I am going to remove a power 6. Then this adjoint I am going to remove. Don't cut it, I just showing next step what I am going to do, so that a power 12. 2 times 5 squared, a power 12. If we want to take out from the determinant, it will be 2 cube. 5 power 6, a 12. A what? Determinant of a they have given 2. So 2 power 12, a power m times a power n, a power m plus n. So 2 power 15 times 5 power 6. In the options, there is no 5 power 6, but 10 power 6 is there. So 2 power 15 I split it into 2 power 9 times 2 power 6. 2 power 6 times 5 power 6 is 10 power 6. So 5, 12, 10 power 6. Okay, copy down.